For all the latest updates, subscribe to News9.
More companies decided to pull their advertisements from Facebook. Companies pulled their ads over Facebook's policies regarding hateful posts. Facebook ad boycott campaign started following companies' reluctance to act against Trump's controversial posts. Several US civil rights groups had started the Stop Hate for Profit campaign against Facebook after it failed to flag controversial posts over anti-racism protests. The killing of African American George Floyd in police custody triggered nationwide protests in the United States against police brutality and racial injustice. Several companies had stopped advertising their products on Facebook in protest against the social media platform's policies. Facebook had recently announced changes in its policies to check controversial posts. Facebook said it will label violating posts from politicians including Donald Trump that break companies' rules. CEO Mark Zuckerberg had earlier refused to take action against Trump's controversial posts. Facebook took the decision to label violating posts following pressure from several quarters. The threat of boycott from advertisers also forced Facebook to review its decision. The stocks of Facebook slumped after several advertisers announced a boycott. A group of employees in Facebook had recently staged a virtual protest against companies' inaction against Trump's post. Employees wanted the Facebook to take action over Trump's controversial remark, "When the looting starts, the shooting starts." Other social media platforms such as Twitter acted against Trump's controversial remarks. But Zuckerberg failed to act, saying that the Facebook cannot serve as an arbiter of truth. Though Zuckerberg announced his decision to label violating posts from politicians, many believed it was not enough. Now more companies have decided to pull their ads from Facebook. The US coffee chain Starbucks Corporation said it would stop advertising on all social media platforms. The consumer goods company Unilever announced that it will stop ads on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter in the US for the rest of the year. The German sportswear company Adidas and its subsidiary Reebok decided to pause advertising on Facebook and Instagram globally from July. The US beverage maker Coca-Cola Company also decided to pause ads on all social media platforms across the world for 30 days. US automaker Ford Company will stop ads on all social media platforms in the US for 30 days. Computer maker HP Incorporation said it will stop ads on Facebook in the US until the company takes more stringent measures to check objectionable posts. The yoga wear maker Lululemon Athletica Incorporation, the denim maker Levi Strauss & Company, and spirits maker Diageo also decided to pause ads on Facebook. Telecom operator Verizon Communications, ice cream maker Ben & Jerry's, Hollywood company Magnolia Pictures will also stop ads on Facebook.